In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and columns in Mailchimp. Let's start right from your Mailchimp dashboard. Head to the campaigns area to find the email you want to work on. Open that campaign and choose edit so you can make changes to its content. This takes you into the setup view for that specific email. Next, select edit design to open the email editor. You'll now see your template and the content blocks you can use on the right. If your template already includes a multi-column section, that's perfect. You'll be placing an image inside each column. If you're using a single column layout, the process is the same within that section. The key idea here is that you're placing an image block into the exact spot where each column's content lives. Now drag and drop the image content block into the column where you want the image to appear. You'll see a highlight showing exactly where it will land. Make sure it's inside the intended column so your layout stays aligned. With the image block in place, click Add on the block to open your Content Studio. From there, choose Upload Image. Select the image file from your computer and let it upload. Once it finishes, it will appear in your library and instantly populate the image block in your column. At this point, take a moment to make it look great. Aim for consistent dimensions across columns so everything feels balanced. In many 2 or 3 column layouts, using images with the same width keeps the design crisp and professional. Keep file sizes optimized so your email loads quickly, and add clear, descriptive alt text for accessibility and better deliverability. If the image should be clickable, set a link so readers can tap through to your site or product page. You can also adjust alignment and spacing to fine-tune how the image sits next to text. To place images in the remaining columns, simply repeat the same flow. Drag an image block into the next column, click Add, choose Upload Image, and select the matching file for that column. For a polished look, use the same aspect ratio and apply consistent padding so the bottoms of your images line up neatly. When you're done, give your email a quick once-over in the editor. A short preview helps confirm that your images display correctly in each column and look good on both desktop and mobile. That's all there is to it. You've added images to your Mailchimp columns quickly, cleanly, and with best practices in mind.